When setting up an Amazon trading account, you will need to provide your business trading details. This will include your company registration documents, a utility bill showing the location of your business, your business bank account, and also a valid credit card which can be charged. Quick tips for setting up your account. Bear in mind you're only allowed to set up one seller central account per region, so you can set up one per EU, one per US, one per Japan. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. The information that you can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/utility bill, and the address on your business should match completely. Otherwise, there may be a delay in opening your account, or it may not be opened at all. Amazon doesn't allow you very many ways to customize your account. It tries to keep it almost as anonymous as possible, but you can set your seller name to identify your account. You can write some business policies and also an introduction to your business, and you can add a logo. And now we're going to have a quick look at where this is done within Amazon. If we go to settings, and then we go to your info and policies, here we can upload information to customize your user ID. So for example, you can add information about the seller, HTML editing box here. You can also add a seller logo. And you can add information about, for example, returns and refunds, shipping, privacy, etc. If we go to settings and account info and click on your seller profile, we can change information like the display name, the contact email addresses, and also the address for the account. This can be done, in this case, this is a combined European account, so you can do it for all the different linked European accounts. Let's just have a quick look. Here we can edit the address and the reply to emails. If we click here, we can edit the name. Best to try and choose something descriptive and easy to remember. Thanks for watching this video. For more content, please subscribe to our channel or check out our Amazon playlist. You can also see more hints and tips at our website, which is vendlab.com/blog.